what's up? Welcome back to another video. This one hopefully is a little more put together than my last ones have been, but probably not because I'm probably going to forget to film tomorrow. I thought it would be fun to film Gasparilla. I don't know how this is going to go. It's going to probably be hectic and I'm probably going to forget, or what I do get is not going to be good. Oh my gosh, I just know I look so pale right now. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to fix that because this is not good. So basically this video is kind of gonna be all over the place. I filmed a little bit of us at the beach, but I don't really know how much good stuff I got. But mainly this video is focused on tomorrow's activities, which is Gasparilla. The best way I can describe Gasparilla is just the whole city of Tampa basically shuts down and closes a bunch of roads, and everybody dresses up like pirates, and you can go watch the ship invade the city of Tampa. Later in the afternoon there's a big parade and they throw beads and everything. We went last year. It was so much fun. I'm trying to go again this year. I just don't know if that's going to happen. I do know it's going to be very cold and very hectic. I am from Philly, and pretty much everybody that goes to school is from the Northeast. But there's just something about Florida cold. It feels so much colder than anything else on the planet. Like, I don't know why. A high of 56 and a low of 36 with rain. And at 2 p.m. when the parade starts, it is going to feel like 32 degrees. Everybody's talking about like frostbite and to get like hand warmers. We're having 5 people come stay with us in our little tiny dorm room, so it's going to be very crazy getting ready tomorrow. One person's already here. 4 people come today. All later, I think like 6:30, 7, or like 8. Might go out to dinner tonight and then just call it an early night because we have to wake up latest 6 a.m. tomorrow. So much. I have a few earring options. These are going in my hair. These are my bracelets, even though you're not going to be able to see them because I'm wearing a jacket. These are some necklace options. My outfit is inside of these boots. It's going to be cold, it's going to be busy, but it's going to be fun, and you guys are going to come along with me. First, let's rewind it back to last weekend where it was nice and sunny and we were at the beach and it was perfect. It was the most beautiful day ever.
No, no, no. You don't love me and I know now.
Say hi. Hey. What's this? Vlog? Yeah. On the beach. Look at our hats. Hi. Oh wait, my camera's on. Is that of us? Yep.
Hi.
It's your birthday.
Your stance right now. Your apple. Look at this girl.
No.
I want videos of every single one of us going down this thing.
Oh my gosh, I see them. Gosh. How was it?
It's amazing. That was life-changing.
Just went down the water slide.
Hey, a little vlog.
Yeah.
Hi, vlog. How are you? Love you.
Good morning. Currently 6 a.m. I don't want to get out of bed, but I can hear everybody outside. So I just ate my breakfast, braided my hair, and I'm gonna curl my hair. The Dunkin' Donuts is on its way, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. But charging my phone right now, so it might be like later. Happy Gasparilla!
But if that's like what we talk about this, you're wearing the perfect guy outfit. Is this a video?
Yes, it is.
What earring should I wear?
Say hi.
Is that vlog?
Yeah, do a fit check maybe?
Fit check? We got this, thrifted, Capri, Dickies, the cuff.
And I don't
Oh, you're in it, baby. Miss Allie McCartney, honey. Miss Lexi Cornell. Meredith Sutherland.
Did you get one? Oh, yourself?
And me.
And of course.
Yours truly.
Your hair looks good today.
Really?
Hey guys, it is 9:17. I think we're leaving at 9:45. It's gonna be an interesting day. We will see you probably in the Uber. We're here. The night is young. Yeah, we haven't really made it. Cheers! Pacing ourselves. Yes, who's the bad team? Everybody say hi, vlog. Make me feel like I'm the only girl in the world. Grab somebody sexy, tell them hey. Yeah, get it. And yeah.
She does not get it, that's for sure.
That's your Say hello. Hi. Is this a vlog? It is a vlog. I can't wait to get posted on YouTube. We are currently in line. I'm cold. It's raining. It's raining. It is. Wait. It's currently. We're currently on a wind advisory, and it is 56 degrees. Oh my god. No sun in Tampa. Not a single speck of sun. We're waiting to get in. Are you feeling something other than cold now? Nobody's listening to me. Squeezing through. Squeezing through. I didn't know. We're waiting to get in. The line is so long. It's like half the block. We're gonna go out later. And we're just hoping and praying this is the one we bought tickets to. I don't even. Dylan is so talking. You're done. You're done.
I think I'm gonna die.
Said no. Oh! Okay, she did it. That guy just moved that. Alright, they just went to the bathroom. We cut the line actually by like 1 million people. Yes, good. We're a lot. We are getting closer
but our Uber's picking us up in 8 minutes.
Not having to pee 3 times.
Tampa Buccaneers, but
Go Tampa.
we are Ubering to school and then we're going to the parade. It's freezing cold. I'm mothering hard. No.
It's all the humidity. Oh, man.
Parade! Oh! I want something! Yes! 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 Hey, let me see it! Wait, where are they from? Where'd you get those? Don't gatekeep.
I actually the store blew up. Okay.
I have my own. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yeah! Woo! Yes, thank you! Oh my gosh! Yes! Oh, hey! What's up? Yes. We are fucking loaded. Holy crap. Wait, yeah. We ain't even done yet, bro. They're still coming. I also have a full bag full of ones from the Hard Rock. Please hold. All these plus look what's hiding in my pocket. I say, bro, the bag full of these.